How to fix lag in Chrome browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag in less than 1 minute on Google Chrome browser. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top corner, you will find 3 dots right here, and then scroll all the way down until you find this more tools option, and then click on extensions, and after that make sure to remove all the extensions that you don't need, and after that go back and click again here on those 3 dots, and then go down to the settings option, and then go to the receipt right here, go to clean up computer and click find, and after that go to system and disable the hardware acceleration, and then go here and disable this option too. And after that, all what you have to do is click relaunch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the end.